So in Outlook, you also have the option of recording a task. Now you can use the task option to be recording the homework you get set each lesson in class. So when you open up Outlook, you can enter in when you open up Outlook, you can go and select the task window by down the bottom, and it's the fourth icon in from the left hand side. Alternatively, you can go up to View, go to Tasks, and that will select the task window for you, or Command and the number 4 will also select it once you're inside the program. So once you're in the task window, you can go ahead and record a new task by selecting the New Task button at the top in the ribbon. Once you're in there, you can go ahead and enter in a description for that task. So it might be maths homework, and it might be your weekly quiz. What you can do is you can set the due date. So to activate it, click the checkbox next to it, and then you can go ahead and select the date. So that might be due on Monday, the 1st of February. Then you can also set a reminder. So you might get this and go, I'm probably not going to remember. It's due on Monday, so I probably need a reminder for 5 o'clock on Friday. So I'm probably going to need a reminder for 3 o'clock on Friday, just to remind me to make sure that I'm doing that over the weekend. So for the reminder, if you go and select Friday's date, which would be the 29th, and then you can change the time to 3 o'clock in the afternoon, then that will give you a reminder as long as you've got Outlook open next time you go on your laptop after 3 o'clock on Friday. So if you want, down in this section below, you can go ahead and add in some additional notes. So if the teacher gives you some more details, you can go ahead and put it in there. So, you can put in must be completed on sheet 2 hand in. So you can put as much information or as little information in there as you would like, as long as you know what you need to be doing for the homework and you're using the task to remind you. So what you can do, you can also go in and select the categories, the same categories that you might use in your calendar. So because this is maths, we're going to select maths. And then once you have entered in that information, you can go save and close to add it into the system. And then once you save and close and it adds into the system, it comes up as your current tasks. So we can see that at the moment I've got 2 tasks. I've got maths homework and I've got English homework. If I want to go ahead and edit it, I simply double click and it'll bring that screen up for me to make my changes to. Once I have finished and I've completed that homework, I can simply go and select the checkbox that's next to it and mark it as complete, and then it will disappear. If I've accidentally completed it before I've actually want to dismiss it and I want to get it back, I can go up to the top ribbon and select completed. That brings up all of my completed homework. That brings up all of my completed tasks, and I simply go and uncomplete it and then remove the completed tick off the top of my ribbon, and it will bring it back up for me to have as an active task. So if So if you have marked it as complete before you wanted it to be actually complete and disappear from your list, you can go ahead and uncomplete it. To uncomplete it, you want to go up to in the top ribbon and select the completed tick box. That'll bring up all of your completed tasks. Then you find the one that you want to uncomplete and untick it. And then that will bring it back up as an uncompleted task for it to sit there until you tick it off again as completed. So that is a brief summary of how you can be recording tasks in Outlook that you can use as a reminder and a way to manage your homework.